Since starting in Only Boys Aloud, it's been a whirlwind.
The experiences we've had since the project started have been insane.
I've met people that I never even thought I'd meet.
The venues that we've sung in is just a scale that is beyond anything we imagined.
We've done so many things that you never dreamed you'd be able to do.
Probably my favourite gig so far really was the biggest dream to sing in the Millennium Stadium.
I can't thank Tim and the team leaders from Only Men Aloud enough. We wouldn't be half as good without them.
When a couple of Only Men Aloud came into school asking for boys to recruit, they sang a couple of songs and I thought, well, it's a bit different to what I usually do, so I'll give it a go. I went along and it was amazing. I've been there ever since.
We have it in rugby clubs all through South Wales. And first we start off with some warm-ups and then we usually get some new repertoire, new music. Just learn that really for upcoming gigs.
Now people that can go on to do what they've always dreamed of doing but never really thought they could.
It's definitely helped me grow as a performer, and also it's given me an insight into what it would be like to work in the industry.
Just a great way for teenagers who enjoy singing and socialising as well, because it's a great way to meet new people. Britain's Got Talent is probably the biggest one. That was a great experience.
We came third in Britain's Got Talent. Not many people can say they've done that.
There's just other stuff that's great. Well, I like all the little intimate gigs as well, like the local gigs, because that's really what it's all about, you know, just spreading music in local areas. I just like making people happy with singing.
Without it, the opportunities which we've had just would never have happened.
How many boys our age can say that they've done some of the things we've done?
Thanks. Absolutely thanks.
If you enjoy singing and want to meet new people, just come to wherever your local OBA is and then just join. There's no audition process whatsoever.
Without any of this, I don't think I would have been where I am really.
Only Boys Aloud has definitely made me more passionate about music.
In 10 years' time, I'd love to be still doing this.
I've joined and I've never looked back since. If you love singing and you want to meet new people, OBA is the best place for it.
Only Boys Aloud.